Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Good morning, especially to my viewers and those over in Europe and the eastern part of the world. Today is Wednesday, the 1st of September 2021, and we are looking at one of the most popular stocks on the market since about the past week. And this is Vinco Ventures Inc., which is listed under the NASDAQ with the ticker symbol BBIG. So yesterday, the last day of August, which was August 31st, Vinco Ventures went up 15.44%. And after market, it actually went up about 3 and close to 4%. Before dropping down to 1.72% after market. But we still have to look at this stock closely and try to see what will happen once the pre-market opens up here in about 38 minutes. So the first thing we can see here is from seeing what the news media is talking about. And you can see an article from CNBC yesterday, 15 hours ago, that says option action. Reddit traders strike again. Go big on Vinco Ventures. So here they were trying to say that the price movement we are seeing in the stock of Vinco Ventures, which is BBIG, is because of mass action, coordinated action by Reddit traders. Well, you and I know that that's not true. What's actually happening is some of the big money market makers and big firms on Wall Street took a short position against this stock, and people found out, and now people who love the stock actually doubled down and invested heavily in the stock. And that's driving, it's putting some upward pressure on the price. Next, we have another article from Yahoo Finance, which says that meme stock mania escalates as Vinco Ventures support.com surge. Support.com has the ticker symbol SPRT. That also surged, I believe, 2 days ago, and yesterday it was pretty much trading horizontally. So also yesterday we have this article from NASDAQ talking about the pre-market movers, and on there you have BBIG, AFRM, ATER, SPRT, KPLT, GSAT, ASTR, and amongst others. But I think amongst all of these, the big news was with BBIG. That actually broke away from the rest of these pre-market movers. Earlier on in the day, if we look at the graph, it was slow, but in the second half of the trading session, it actually took off. If we look here on the graph, that happened at about 1:50 p.m. yesterday Central Time, and after that it was off to the races. Yesterday's volume was 183 million, and the usual average volume for BBIG shares is about 23 million. As you can see, the day range was from $5.51 and it went all the way up to $8.34. Next, we can take a look at the short interest on BBIG. And again, these are some articles that came out yesterday. You can see the top stories that they have on Google. CNA Finance had a story that says Vinco Ventures, in brackets BBIG, stock squeezes the short. That was from a day ago. Again, there's another article from Seeking Alpha from yesterday, and it talks about hot stocks. Meme stock resurgence, BBIG, ATER, SPRT, ROOT rally on retail interest. So ROOT, I'm not very sure about that. I thought it was HOOD, which is Hood, Robin Hood. And then of course there is that article again from CNBC from 1 day ago, which talks about support.com shares soar another 38% as meme traders pile into the heavily shorted. You can complete the sentence. I believe they want to talk about heavily shorted stock. Now if we go to marketbeat.com, which you can see right there, we can take a closer look at the short interest in this stock. Let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can see what's happening here on the screen. So for the 50-day range, it's been from $2.19 to $8.15. The 52-week range goes from $1.11 to $10. So that's a very wide range. And if you can look here, you will see on the 52-week range, we are toward the upper limit. For the short volume, Vinco Ventures listed under the NASDAQ ticker symbol BBIG. The latest data that we have shows that the current short volume is at 11.6 million shares that have been sold short. The previous short volume was 11.8 million, which means the shorts are slowly covering. There's been a 1.19% change compared to last month. The dollar volume sold short is 33.73 million. And the last record date for the short interest was August 13th, 2021. This company has 65 million shares outstanding, and the percentage of shares that have been shorted is 17.80% of the total float. So if we move on to stock tweets, we can see here that for the trending, let's look at the trending stocks. Trending now. How do I get there? Just give me a moment here, guys. Let me figure out what exactly I'm doing here. Rankings. Let's go there. Trending. So right now, as you can see, for the trending stocks, which is updated every 5 minutes, you have support.com, and then you have Ethereum, and then you have Workhorse Group, which is one of the Chinese stocks. You have Skills, and then BBIG is now at number 5 trending. So when the market opens, I think there's been a lot of activity about SPRT. The stock actually dropped yesterday 15.10%. So I think that allowed a lot of people to get into that stock. So we might see quite a bit of action as the stock SPRT recovers some of the losses. Again, that's one of the stocks that's also been shorted heavily on the market. And the good thing here is, as you can see, BBIG is still trending very strong. It's holding the 5th position. So I think we will see quite a bit of action on the pre-market and when the market opens. So I just wanted to share with you this update. We have about maybe 30 minutes more, and then we will be able to see some pre-market data start trickling in. I will be with you all day long as we follow the price movement of BBIG and also incidentally SPRT, as these two stocks continue with their short squeeze. Good luck to all holding these stocks, and for those who are thinking about getting into the action, please do your own due diligence. Don't invest money you're not willing to lose, and think carefully before you put your money in the market, because there's some risk involved. Again, I'm not giving any financial advice here. It's just one guy talking about stocks he sees on the market. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share and subscribe. That way we can put out the good news and more people can join the bandwagon to make sure this short squeeze goes to its logical end. Thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next video.